Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Instagram account if you don't have any kind of password or email. So first you need to go to any browser and then here search for instagram.com. Here you need to make sure that you are logged into your profile that you want to delete. I want to delete this profile Dan75500, so I am logged in with this account. Then all you need to do is go to this link instagram.com/account/remove/request/permanent. You can pause the video and write this link. Now here you need to select the reason why you want to delete this account. Select any reason and then here you need to enter your password. So if you don't know your password, you need to click on forgot password, and here you will be asked to enter your username or email or phone, and they will send you a link there. And after that you can change your password and then again go to this link and enter your password and then click on delete account and your account will be deleted. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends and like our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one.